I'm Mark Sudolnik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today, we're going to go over how to do a pre-production sample before a job run. All right, now we're ready to do our test print. A lot of times, people will load a shirt on, and they'll just go ahead and hit print start, watch the shirt come around, and then look at it and see that something that's out of register. Now you have to go back and figure out what's out of register. So I'm going to show you a little trick on how to take the shirt around and check it as you go, so by the time you come around to the last print head, you're ready to start production. I loaded 2 shirts onto the machine. What we're going to do is we're going to start with our underbase, and at this point is when we're going to check our squeegee pressure, our speed, and our angle. So on our pressure, we're at about 40 psi is where we want to be. So we're going to go ahead and do a test print and make sure that the ink clears the screen. Which it did, so we're ready to go ahead and flash this underbase. Now that our underbase is flashed, we're going to go ahead and print our second color, which is going to be our black. And the reason for the 2 shirts, we bring this over and we can see that our black is in perfect registration. Another great advantage of the M&R Tri-Lock system is you very rarely are going to have to use your micro adjustments. So we'll go ahead and put the black on our second shirt. And the importance of the first shirt is if you did have to micro it, you can correct it on the first one and then do your second good print on the second shirt. So we'll go ahead and strike off the gray. Bring it over. Again, no micro needed. The gray is in perfect registration on top of the black. So we'll go ahead and print our second shirt with the gray. Now it's time for our fourth color, which is going to be a bright blue. So we'll go ahead and print our first shirt. And let's check the registration on this one. As you can see, we're laying right on top of our white halftones and our solid white. Again, thanks to the Tri-Sync palette, perfect registration. Let's go ahead and do our second shirt. And last is going to be our highlight white. Take a look at our highlight, right where it needs to be. Again, perfect registration. We'll print our second shirt. Now we did both of our test prints. We had our first one for registration purposes, checking our squeegee, pressure, speed, angle. Our second shirt, made sure after any adjustments, which we didn't have to make any thanks to the M&R Tri-Lock, we're ready to go into production. So you can see by doing it this way, it's a really good tip on how to get right into production and making sure each step along the way is going to give you the quality print that you're looking for. For more information on screen printing, visit gogsg.com and follow us on social media.